Hey everybody, welcome back again. I know it's been a while, but we haven't had anything to do with this for a while because we blew the motor, like I showed in the last video. Insurance is, well, I'm finally getting around to doing the insurance claim on it. So I got a tow truck driver on the way now to come pick it up. Insurance is going to make their inspection on it. They'll determine if it's a total loss or if it can be repaired, which at this point, the age of the vehicle and what needs to be done to it, it's most likely going to be a total loss. But when that happens, I'll buy it back, take whatever money I get from insurance to replace the motor with a K24. So we're going to, when it happens, we'll pull the K20 out of here and put in a K24. I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to keep the K24 head when I do that, or if I'm going to swap over the K20Z3 head and just use the K24 bottom end. I'll talk to some people that have done it before and see what they recommend, because I'm not going fully built like I was originally planning. That would be a $10,000 motor that would be stuck at 14-to-1 compression and making 300 to 330 wheel horsepower. Or I can just go with a stock K24. Probably make somewhere in the 250 to 275 range with all the bolt-ons and tune and fuel system and E85. And then if I want more power down the line, I can always go turbo. So I'll bring it back when the tow truck driver gets here, and we'll get her loaded up and say goodbye to her for a little while. All right, there she goes. So hopefully we'll hear back soon and find out what's going on with insurance, and then we'll go from there. Have a good one, everybody.